In this video, I'll review the Sony VPL-XW5000ES. My current projector is the Sony VPL-VW325ES. I'm very happy with the performance of my 325ES, but I am a curious fellow by nature, so I want to see what the 5000ES has to offer. Despite other reviews and what's on paper, I want to make my own assessment of its performance. So I'm taking my own look with all the conditions that are specific to my room and considering all the factors that are important to me. In the box is the power cord, the remote, batteries for the remote, and the projector itself. There is no motorized lens shift on the 5000ES. To focus, I turned the focus ring here, and to zoom in and out to fit the screen, I had to press this lever while turning the focus ring. The horizontal and vertical shift wheels are on top here. I'd say it took about 5 minutes to get the 5000ES leveled, aligned properly, and focused. Despite having to do it all manually, it was pretty quick and easy. All the adjustment mechanisms were smooth and allowed for fine micro adjustments that helped me really dial it in. My initial impression is that this projector throws an incredible image. The colors and contrast are particularly impressive. I do have some other thoughts, but I'll reserve those for the next video when I do a direct comparison with my 325ES, so be on the lookout for that video in the next few days.